Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery drain issues on the Nokia 5. The first way of fixing battery drain issues is to go into Settings, scroll down to Battery, click on Battery Saver and turn it on. You can of course leave it to turn it on automatically at a percentage you specify down here. Another way is to go into Display and turn down your brightness. Alternatively, you may turn on Adaptive Brightness, which will automatically turn down your brightness when you are in a dark room and turn it up if you are in a bright room. However, take into account that if you are in a bright place, the brightness will go up, which will increase the rate at which your battery goes down. Another way is to go into System Settings, click on Advanced, and then on System Update. Because if your system is not up to date, you may end up having some sort of a system bug that leads to higher battery power being consumed. Another option you can do is to simply turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth whenever you are not using them. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.